Need a box design? Visit Car Stereo FX Designs and use discount code JacobViral there, as well as at Sky High Cardio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. I like your seats, man.
Thank you. Yeah, my brother was going to put them in his race car, and I talked him out of them. So
yeah,
he changed his mind and wanted to go with gray seats instead.
Oh yeah.
You can leave the box for him in that seat for it if you want that high handle at the bottom. They'll leave the car for you.
Oh, so you actually have your head unit mounted right here?
Yeah, I put it there because I mean it knocked it out of the dash immediately, Jacob. I mean,
oh, you're so loud. Yeah.
Yeah, it knocked it out, dude. So I just went ahead and I lost my dad 2 years ago, so the wood.
Yes, sir.
My best friend who died of cancer, my dad, he used to have a shovel that he always used for his garden. So that's the handle for it, and then it's aluminum. He sold aluminum.
Really? So, oh, wow. Okay.
So my best friend and my dad ride with me.
Okay. This is really nice.
Yeah, that's why I call that my alligator. I try to keep it period correct, you know?
Yeah, that looks good.
Well, that's the first time I've ever done that. It took me 2 weeks for that stupid thing. Yep.
The door's pretty solid too.
Yeah, there's 3/4 of an inch of rubber and 2x4s in each door. And,
wow.
And then of course they're all boxed in up here.
Yes, sir. Okay. This one?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I got 2 or 3. Alright, there in the car. Did you? Yeah. Oh, BETTA. Thank you. Thank you. All my YouTube guys. Yeah, it's getting done. We're gonna run in a bit.
That's a good demo song, man.
That's the best.
Yes, I appreciate that. What was that called?
That is
like a remix, I'm sure.
Yeah, it is. It's off of let me see what his name is, man.
That was pretty cool, man. I appreciate the
Nobody
demo.
has that. My buddy's like, man, cut me down. I'm like, nah.
Nah, yeah.
It's by it's right here. Because a buddy of mine gave it to me, and I was like, I've never heard it before. To be honest.
Yes, sir.
It's got Derulo on it, you know, solo, but that one is particularly calls it.
Yep.
Let's see what it calls it. I can try here.
The BETTA.
BETTA.
Thanks for the demo again, man.
Hey, man.
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure
That was great.
You're the best, man.
Appreciate it. Thanks for watching.
Hey, man, I've watched you since you started.
Percocet, bitch. Percocet,
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.